my goodness. I would say probably twice a year we run through a little cold session.
Renee Welk is a mom of 2 little girls. She says it's a constant battle trying to figure out what to do when her kids get sick.
Claire used to get ear infections all the time, and they were usually cold related and came afterward. And so we really did have to try to figure out, what are we going to do?
She adds it's a tough decision as a parent. You don't want your kids to suffer. But pharmacist and a professor at Drake, Ed Bell, says getting liquid over-the-counter drugs may not be a good decision at all, especially if your child is 12 or under.
Well, the regulations for governing the use of over-the-counter cough and cold medicines in children are undergoing some recent changes.
He says the FDA is looking to move up the age restriction on liquid over-the-counter meds from 4 to 6 years old, a significant difference from when the limit on age was 2 years old back in 2007.
We have no evidence that they work in children under 12, and they asked for the labeling, which is the packaging on the bottle and the box, to be changed to that.
There's evidence that the dosages on the back of these medicine cartons are really just a guess.
Another reason to give it a second thought.
The pediatricians basically said, well, we'll just base the dose on a child's weight.
Which he says is an inaccurate measure. And to top it off, he adds, you can be giving your kids too much drugs that don't work while they feel the side effects.
And an hour or two later, the child does not seem to be any better. It's very easy for a parent to give more and more and more. And that's where the problems are most likely to occur.
In the end, when it comes to a cold, Bell says it's better to just wait it out.